Hi everybody, Lucas here with your TPS Weekly News Roundup. We'll start this week with MacKay Company, which on Monday released its mid-year aftermarket update. It showed sales conditions in the OES and dealer channels. It showed the impact that trade, tariffs, freight demand are having on the aftermarket and what we can expect for the channel in Q3, Q4, and beyond. If you didn't see that article, be sure to check that out. It's in our newsletters. It's all over our website. Additionally, it was a very maintenance-heavy week on TPS. We had a story about diesel exhaust fluid, or DEF, and the impact to customers if they fail to use DEF or they use poorly formulated DEF on their vehicles. Sort of a guidance piece on what you can do to help customers. Additionally, we had a piece on tires and tire treads specifically, and what tire treads tell you about the performance of tires in a vehicle. So again, two really good, very strong maintenance pieces on how you can help your customers, how you can use your expertise to help your customers keep their equipment in great shape. And then in the middle of the week, we had an update from J.D. Power on the used truck market in June. If you didn't see that story, really interesting, very illuminating. We're seeing a influx in model 2025 trucks finally making it to the used truck space, so that's starting to impact the market. Additionally, some interesting shifts as it relates to auction and wholesale versus the retail channel. So if you're in the used truck space or you want to be in the used truck space due to the struggles you're having in the new truck space, be sure to check out that story. A lot of other good stuff this week, a lot of really interesting news, updates on the trailer space, updates on the truck space. MEMA had its update of its Talk from the Top, which is a conversation they have with distributor channel executives about what they need to see from their supplier base. So some really great stuff on the TPS website this week. Be sure to check it out on the website and in the newsletter. Thank you so much. Have a great day and have a great weekend. See you guys.